What internet marketing expert should you spend your valuable time listening to? Listen to someone who has over 20 years of web marketing experience and hundreds of website marketing success stories. That man is Aaron Sparks from Site Strategics. And this is Edge of the Web Radio.
So, kind of just we don't really have a article to reference here. We just kind of want to talk about some of our favorite our favorite WordPress plugins that we use, and some of the ones that we would kind of avoid using. The first one we kind of mentioned earlier that I had on my list was the WordPress SEO by Yoast, and they're the number one pretty much SEO plugin there is out there.
Yeah, it's a good one. He does a lot of services now too.
He does. He's actually
do,
doing themes too. I don't know if you've seen that.
Yeah.
I haven't checked them out. I just saw you tweeted about that he's doing themes, but
yeah, he's doing a lot of services. Like you can get site optimization reporting.
Really?
Yeah, like it's like $700, but basically a comprehensive analysis of your site and stuff. I haven't looked at one yet, but we're thinking about trying it out, seeing how it goes.
Yeah.
And then he has the paid SEO.
Yeah, he's got the paid version of the free version.
Which you get consulting with.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
He also has he has a local SEO plugin as well as
the video
one. Yeah, we use the video one on the Edge, and it's very cool. All you do is pretty much you just upload the plugin, and then you just paste the YouTube URL on your page, and it creates the video thumbnail.
Really?
Automatically, as you just paste you don't need to paste the embed code, just the YouTube URL, and just throw it on your page wherever you want.
So that's on even if it's a regular post that you just have a video embedded in.
Yep.
Oh, I need to do that.
So all of our shows that we're doing, we're just, I think for every segment I create a video for every segment, and then we just throw all 3 videos on the page, and it embeds it automatically, and it creates an automatic thumbnail. And if you use the featured image section, it'll use that featured image as your thumbnail for your video.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's pretty simple to use. I think it's like $79, I think. Yeah. So definitely worth the investment. Very easy to use. Another one I use frequently, especially with when we're converting websites from another content management system to WordPress, is you have to do a bunch of 301 redirects. And the one I like to use is called Redirection. I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but it's very, very simple to use, and especially when you're creating, if you're working in WordPress already and then you're changing URLs, it automatically does a 301 redirect for the page that you're working on. So we got a lot of clients that we're throwing local terms into the URL, and so if we're throwing an Indianapolis into a page, it'll automatically create that 301 redirect for you. And plus, it's got a nice upload feature where you can just put the old URL in column A and the new one in column B, and upload that into the plugin, and it'll upload all those 301 redirects. Nice and simple. What's some of you guys recommend?
Well, Google Analytics plugin is out there. That's pretty good. I think it's made by Yoast as well. Now it doesn't work with the latest Universal Analytics, and he's talked about making a totally new plugin for that because it works differently. But that's one that we use. What else?
Jetpack.
Jetpack. Yeah. WordPress wrote that. Automatic wrote that. So it brings basically a lot of their core features from their hosted solution over. So like the ability to automatically publish to Twitter and LinkedIn and Facebook, and with really good optimized, published information is in that, and it's great. You just literally log into Twitter, log into LinkedIn, log in, and then your post can automatically be pushed out there. Advanced custom fields, we're huge fans of. Yeah. So every once in a while, you get maybe a web page that has, like we have a company right now that they want, they have multiple companies, and so they want to be able to add companies. Well, we built a plugin template that uses the advanced custom fields with a repeater. Okay. And now they can keep adding companies and add a picture and add a description, and we don't have to go back and rebuild the page or anything like that, and they don't have to know how to format the page or anything. Yeah. So advanced custom fields, and then Gravity Forms.
Gravity Forms, yep. That's the third one I have on my list there, Gravity Forms.
Amazing.
Yeah. If listeners don't know what Gravity Forms is, it's an easy way to build an online form. So if you want a contact form or some survey that you'd like to have on your website, you can just upload Gravity Forms, and it's as simple as I want a name field, so you click and you drag the name, or you want a phone number and you click and drag that, and then
they have calculated fields on there too. We even built a calculator for a client using it.
No, so I haven't messed with that.
I know, that's pretty slick.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Another one we use, it's pretty popular, especially for a lot of the themes that are out there now, is the Revolution slider. It's the what you see when you go to the home page and all the images are scrolling through. There's a lot of neat effects that developers can use in designing those home pages. WooCommerce is another popular one we talked about earlier in the show. It's a great, easy way to integrate a online store into your website. Some of the themes, when you buy a theme, they come with pre-built shortcodes, but some of the themes don't really have a lot of shortcodes, so you can easily create accordions or bullet points, and not bullet points, but different other shortcodes of photo galleries and that sort of thing. So there's a couple of ones that we use. JShortcodes is a popular one, but the Shortcodes Ultimate is the main one that we use for just to have alternative ways to stylize your website. SoundCloud is another popular one for if you have audio files that you want to upload, and SoundCloud's a popular online website that I think it was Twitter that almost bought them, but kind of fell through there. You guys didn't say CircuitPress. CircuitPress has a plugin.
Yeah. I mean, we've been growing like crazy, but CircuitPress, if you want to send an email directly out of WordPress and you don't want to learn how to use an email app, it's great for that.
Yep.